Hello everyone, this video I want to show you how to build a motion sensor with an extra Android phone. So for this we're going to need Tasker and IP camera, an application called IP camera. So let's go ahead and take a look at what we do here. Here we have IP webcam, and what IP webcam does is it can detect motion and then it can push that event onto Tasker to trigger something else. Then once it gets to Tasker, we'll use a plugin called join, which will link it up to any device on all our computers, so we can send that message now to any other one of our devices. So basically, IP webcam sees motion, it tells join it sees motion, and then join tells our device that it sees motion. So you have your extra Android phone sitting there, and it sees motion, and then that goes and gets pushed to your main Android phone, and it can speak or do whatever we want. It can put it in a log, it can take a picture, anything you want it to do. So let's go ahead and look at how to do this here. So you need IP Webcam Pro because that's the one that has the Tasker plugin. So you go here and you have it start on boot on your motion detector device, and yeah, motion sound detection, and you enable these. And so after you have that done, then you go over to Tasker, and when you're in Tasker, go over here to the event page, the profiles page, and add a new event, event, and then you want to go over here to plugins, and you want to, when you're in plugins, you want to go over here to oh, I'm sorry, it must be in state. You go over to state, and then you go over here to plugin, yeah, IP Webcam Pro. And then you go down here to motion is detected, and that's your trigger. And then when motion is detected, then you want to go over to create a new task, and on your new task, no, I want to create a new task. Okay, unlink task. I'll just show you. Add exit as an exit task. So we go up here to the top, and we create our new task. And in our new task, we go over here to plugins, and we go over to join, and then we go to send push. So we basically send a trigger message, and we can go and configure this to whatever message you want it to be and the device you want to push it to. So here, let's say I would want to push it out to my Note 4 here, just for random sake. And then have the text, that would be the trigger word. So you just enter some text here, Note, and then you would go select, and then you do that. And then on your receiving device, when it receives the event from join, you go over here to events, plugin, join, configuration, and then when you receive the text filter that says note, then it will go ahead and trigger the task you want it to trigger, and you can go whatever you want from there. So that's how you would build a motion detector with an Android phone. So the thing about this is, still, I don't like doing things one-off or Mickey Mouse, because then there's 100 bugs that arrive and you have to manage all those bugs yourself, and it's just a whole mess. I'd rather just use a built solution. So I'd rather just wait for a smart home device that has motion detection and use that. But this does work, and this is a way to use an extra Android phone as a motion tracker. It's more of a proof of concept, as I have it, but I find it more annoying to use because there's just so much management. You have to find a place to plug it in, set it up, then always worry about is it working and testing it and all this stuff, and it's too much. I'd rather just have one set device like a Xiaomi motion detector or whatever and use that. But yes, this is how you can turn a motion detector from Tasker. Thanks for watching.